Hello everyone, my name is Matheus Barros Pereira and I'm a student of Florida International University. This class is about fundamentals of computer security, and then I'm here to talk about SQL injection. So first of all, what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language which is used to communicate with the database. So you can insert, you can update, you can get the information from database using some simple queries, such as insert this movie, Lord of the Rings, inside the movie table. You can also select these many movies from this table. And what is SQL injection? To explain to you, I'm going to show an example, which is here. This is a simple web page which I have my username, which I actually have it here, and my password. I'm going to enter in those two things, the username and the password are in the database. So if they're correct, I can enter. See? And then it shows me my username. If I enter something else, file and then something else in here, it's going to show that I don't have this thing in here, this username. So it actually gets from a database. The thing is, I can enter some kind of code that can trick the system to understand that this thing, username, is true and this thing is true, so I can log in even though I don't have any extra credentials to do it. So to do that, I'm gonna copy this code right here, which I have it, and then I'm gonna paste it in here. So what does that mean? It's some random email, but you see this little guy right here? This is gonna limit the user input, or this thing, which I'm gonna show you later. I'm gonna copy the same, paste the same thing here, and then you see it's gonna show all my users that I have in the system. So checking the code, I'm gonna print the query. Sorry, that's not the one, that's the one. I'm gonna go back, do the same thing, and do the same thing here, and I'm gonna print the query. As you can see, you have a query in a SQL, and then you see, so we're gonna select all the usernames from this table where this condition met. And what is this condition? It's composed of two conditions, A and B. So what A is, it's something, so my username has to be equal to this guy, or 1 is equal to 1. So what does that mean? Always 1 is equal to 1. So this thing is always going to be true. This A part is always going to be true. And the same thing happens to the password. The password has to be equal to this guy, or 1 is equal to 1. So that's always true. So that's an example of SQL injection. Even though I don't have an extra credential, this is not like my database, this is not even an actual email, I can enter in the system and then display all the users, all the usernames. To prevent that, I create another web page in here, and then I'm gonna paste the same thing. I'm gonna paste as well, and then I'm gonna submit it. See, no special charge. The way I did it was so that's the good one. The way I did it was to create this function which checks special charge. Whenever I see this little guy right here, code, I'm gonna return true. What does that mean? That I have a special char in there, so I'm gonna return, and then I'm not gonna do the query. I'm not gonna run it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.